is Shannon, and I am a mechanical engineer at Delta. Mechanical is a very broad field, so you can open a lot of doors with a mechanical engineering degree, but specifically what mechanical engineers do at Delta is we do facilities engineering. So facilities engineering is all the different disciplines that are required to renovate old buildings and build new buildings. So that includes structural, architectural, electrical, and mechanical. So mechanicals, we do HVAC, which is heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, plumbing, and fire protection systems. So on a day-to-day basis, I work in a 3D program modeling system called Revit, and the ultimate goal is to build these designs for floor plans so that contractors can use those plans to build the buildings. So I was a sophomore in college when I started applying to different internships, basically just trying to get experience anywhere I could. So I ended up getting an internship at Delta. I had no idea what facilities engineers or mechanicals did here, but I gave it a shot. And I had a lot of hands-on experience and real-world projects that I was able to work on. So I ended up loving the summer that I was here. I continued working on through my junior year and the summer after my junior year. And then after my senior year, I was offered a job. The best advice I can give going to the field is just take all the math and physics classes you can, especially if you have like advanced placement or AP classes. Those classes tend to be the classes that weed you out in college, so they're very tough. So if you can get any early experience and exposure to that, it's really helpful. Also, if there's any engineering classes that are offered, at my school we had Project Lead the Way classes, but I know there's other programs that are similar to that. And finally, if you can get any experience with 3D modeling software, it doesn't have to be in Revit, which is what we use. I had a lot of experience in Autodesk Inventor, Solid Edge, SolidWorks, Creo Parametric. All of them give you the basis for this job, which is just working in 3D.
Perfect. Last question is just any...
I know it's really hard transition trying to pick a major for something that you have no experience in. So the best advice I have is talk to any career professionals you can, whether it's a family friend, or I know a lot of jobs or a lot of locations will do job shadows where you can follow someone for even an hour, and it really gives you a feel for what the different fields are like. So I highly recommend that.